Well, guys, I'm pretty much done with the sculpture, and the only thing that you really have to do now is let it dry evenly. You can put a bag over it and just let it kind of like let the air flow out of it. There's many other things that I can do, and there is a treatment that you can do even after you fire it by burnishing various parts. I'm still going to work on various things, and even when I'm looking at it, I'm always thinking that there's a lot of things that could be improved. I think one of the problems with doing these sorts of sculptures is that you can keep working on it almost always, but I have to kind of push myself from it, otherwise I'll just keep working on one single sculpture. So in the future, I'll be starting a new sculpture. It's going to be another kneeling pose, and I'll also be using it from postspace.com. And I'm also thinking about doing a carving video. I'm getting started with wood carving and using a Dremel, so I plan on doing a little bit of those videos in the future, so stay tuned. But this is the kneeling pose, the nude figure, female nude kneeling pose, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.